Sairam children, welcome to maths class. Children, we have already started with our chapter number 8, measurement, right? And we have learned we have started length, and in our last class we have done measuring length in kilometers. Children, I have explained you the formula, correct? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. If you need to convert from kilometer to meter, you have to multiply by 1000, and if you want to convert from meter to kilometer, you have to divide by 1000. Okay? So children, let us continue. We are going to now start exercise 8.2. So take out your textbook and your classwork. Children, textbook, take out page number 112. Okay. Now, first question we are going to write in our textbook itself. Let us see the questions. Question number 1. Which unit, that is centimeter, m is for meter or km is for kilometer, will you use to measure the following lengths / distances? So we have to read the question and we will find out whether it is a short distance or a long distance. So which units we are going to use? Okay, centimeter, meter or kilometer. Now here, see children, A1, length of a bus. Now, bus is long, correct? But it is not so long also. So what we can use? We can use meter. Correct? Because centimeter is for smaller length, okay, and meter is for little bigger one, and kilometer is for the longer distance. Correct? So length of bus will be measured in meter. Then length of your maths book. Now children, if you have your textbook, right? So if you want to measure this, we can use a scale, correct? And in scale we have centimeter. So length of your maths book will be centimeter. Then length of an eraser. Now again, eraser is smaller one, correct? So if I want to measure, I can use a scale. So it will be again in centimeter. D1 is distance between India and Europe. Now if I want to measure the distance between India and Europe, okay, I cannot use a scale, correct? So it is a very long distance. In such a case, we use kilometers. The distance will be measured in kilometers. Okay? Children, note down all the answers in your textbook. Got it? Children, next question is question number 2. Convert into meters. Now you are going to take out your notebook, classwork. In that we are going to write. Okay. So write exercise 8.2, question number 2, and convert into meters. Write the first question, 7 kilometers. Children, the question is given in 7 kilometers. We have to convert kilometer into meter. Now kilometer is a bigger unit. We want to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit. That time we have to multiply by 1000. Okay. So let us start. First I will write the formula, which is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Correct? Then we will take the question. In our question, what do we have? 7. So 7 kilometer is equal to, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, this 7. So 7 into 1000 meter. Children, 7 into 1000 is 7000. Okay, if you want, you can just multiply and you can check. See, 1000 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, and 7 ones are 7. So it is 7000 meter. Okay, in this way we have to solve our sums. Whenever we want to convert from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay. Everyone, please note it down. Note down in your notebook, children. Okay, next question. 9 kilometers. Okay. So, again, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 9 kilometers will be 9 multiplied by 1000 meter. Okay, we have to multiply by 1000. So 9 into 1000 is 9000 meter. Easy? Children, note down. Okay, next one is E1. E sum, we have 18 kilometer and 210 meter. Children, here we have two units. You can see kilometer and meter. We have both of them and we want to convert both of them into meter. Correct? Right? So, this part is already in meters. So, don't touch it. First, we will take only 18 kilometers. Okay. So, we are going to first convert 18 kilometers into meters. How we did before. Correct? Multiply by 1000. So, as we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 18 kilometers is equal to 18 multiplied by 1000 meter. Correct? We are not touching this 210 meters. We are just converting 18 kilometers into meter. Okay. So when we multiply 18 into 1000, we will get 18,000. Correct? Yes, it is 1000 multiplied by 18 or 18 multiplied by 1000. You will get 18,000 meter. Okay. This is part 1. Part 2 is, now take the question. Question is 18 kilometer 210 meter. Correct? Now this part we have converted. 18 kilometer we have converted. What we got the answer? 18,000 meter. Correct? So that we will write in place of 18 kilometer. 18 kilometer is equal to 18,000 meter. Okay. Now then we have 210 meters. That also we will write. Now both of them are in meters. So we'll put here plus sign. To plus 210 meter. This one. Okay. Now add 18,000 meter plus 210 meters will be 18,210 meter. Okay. So our answer is 18,210 meter. See children here. One more time. We have 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 18 kilometer is equal to 18 into 1000 meter, which is 18,000 meter. Then 18 kilometer 210 meter is equal to 18,000 meter plus 210 meter, which is equal to 18,210 meters. Got it? Please note down children in your notebook. Next one is question number F. Okay. 40 kilometer and 150 meter. Now children, this question I have done for you. Let us go through it. We have to convert this full into meters. Correct? Now 150 is already in meters. So we are first going to convert 40 kilometers. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 40 kilometers will be 40 multiplied by 1000 meter, which is equal to 40,000 meter. Okay. This is part 1. Then we will write the question and then we are going to replace this 40 kilometers into meter that we have got. So 40,000 meter plus what is remaining? 150 meter. So plus 150 meter. When we add both of them, we will get 40,150 meters. Got it, children? Please note down. Children, next question is question number 3. Convert into kilometers and meters. Okay. Now the question is given in meters. We have to convert it into kilometers and meters. So let us see first question, which is 3000 meters. Now children, whenever we are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit, that time we have to divide by 1000. Okay, it is divided by 1000. So let us start. 3000 meter is equal to, okay, we have to divide the number by 1000. So it is 3000 divided by 1000. Answer will be in kilometer. Correct? So children, we can use cancellation method also. Here see, cancel 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 this side and 10 on the other side. So what is remaining? 3 divided by 1. So the answer will be 3 itself. Correct? So it is 3 kilometer. Or if you divide also 3000 divided by 1000, okay, then also you will get the answer as 3. Correct? Yes, children. Write down in your notebook. When we want to convert from meter to kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Remember this. B question is 2300 meter. Okay. Now children, here the question, we don't have here 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 like that. Here we have a number 2300 meters. We have to convert it into kilometers and meters. Okay. Now in such a situation, we have to expand the number. Okay. We will expand the number in thousands place. Which place? 1000. Only thousands place we are going to expand. So here 2300 meter will become 2000 meter plus 300 meter. We are going to expand the thousands place. In thousands, 2 in thousands place is 2000. Correct? So 2000 meter plus 300 meter. Now after that, we will take the number which is in 1000. Which number is in 1000 here? 2000. Correct? So 2000 meter is equal to, this is easier to convert from meter to kilometer. Okay, because it is in 1000. So how we will convert? By dividing it by 1000. Correct? Kilometer. 2000 divided by 1000 is 2 kilometers. Right, children? So see here, if you want, you can just cancel the zeros and you can get the answer. 2 divided by 1 is 2 itself. Okay. So we have here 2 kilometers. Now this part we have converted. Okay. Finally what we are going to do is, we will write 2000, the expanded form. 2000 meter plus 300 meter is equal to, what is 2000 meter? 2 kilometers. Okay. And 300 meter we are not going to touch. We will write that as it is. So this is our final answer. 2 kilometers and 300 meter. Children, note down it properly. Next question is CSUM, 5670 meters. Okay, so children, we are converting into kilometer and meter. Whenever we have kilometer, that time we have to expand the number in thousands place. Okay, so 5670 meter is equal to, expand in thousands place. In thousands place we have 5, so it will be 5000 meter plus what is remaining here, 670. So it is 670 meter. Okay. Now after that, take the number which is in thousand. Which number is in thousand here? 5000. It is easier to convert. 5000 meter is equal to 5000 divided by 1000 kilometer. Okay, whenever we want to convert from meter to kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Okay, now 5000 divided by 1000 is 5. Okay, answer is in kilometer. So 5000 meter is equal to 5 kilometer. Got it? Now write the expanded form. 5000 meter plus 670 meter is equal to, now 5000 meter we have converted, which is equal to 5 kilometer, and what is remaining? 670 meter. So this is how we are going to convert from meter into kilometers and meters. Okay. Children, note down properly in your maths classwork. Children, last one is DSUM. This I have already done. Let us go through it and you will write in your classwork. 9210 meter. Okay, so we are converting from meter into kilometers and meters. So we are going to expand the number in thousands place. Okay, thousands place we have here number 9. Okay, so 9 in 1000 place is 9000 meter plus 210 meter. Okay, this is expanded form. Then we are only going to take 9000 meter and convert it into kilometer. This is easy. Okay, 9000 meter is equal to 9000 divided by 1000 kilometer. Okay, divide by 1000. You can cancel the zeros here. 9 divided by 1 is 9 kilometer. Correct? It is 9. After that, we will write the expanded form and we are going to replace 9000 meter into 9 kilometers. Okay, that we have converted. So it is equal to 9 kilometer and 210 meter. Got it, children? How we have converted? So we can say 9210 meter is equal to 9 kilometers and 210 meter. Children, now note down your homework sums. From question number 1, you have E, F, G and H. Okay, you have to note down in your textbook itself. Okay. Question number 2, convert into meters. These sums you are going to write down in your homework notebook. Okay. Write the formula properly and do the sums. Question number 3 is convert into kilometers and meters. This question also you will do in your homework notebook. Okay. So children, this much only for today. Do all your homework sums. Thank you.